Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rockstar and I hope you all are doing well. Now, firstly, I apologize for not uploading videos in the past 5 months. I know I thought the next semester would be much more hectic, but it turned out to be even more hectic than I expected it to be. Like new subjects, new faculty, and a lot more stuff to learn. So, even in January and February, I recorded some stuff, but I couldn't upload it because of exams. But now that those are over, we are back to producing content and we're back to contributing to the society. So recently I got the opportunity to visit Bhagyanagar Ayyappa Seva Samiti Children Home, also commonly known as BAS Children Home, which is situated near Hyderabad just after the Hussain Sagar. And it was an amazing opportunity for me. And that day I was also the host for an event that was being organized there. So I went through my friend's brother who works for Elixir Foundation in Hyderabad. He collaborated with Grunt Force organization who were volunteering to give and donate some stuff to the Bass Children Home. So he asked me out on Friday and I agreed to host the event for him. And it was a really eye opening and great experience. So on the morning of 2nd March, that was on Sunday, my friend's brother came to pick me up at 7:45 a.m. in the morning, and we reached the Bass Children Home by 8:30 a.m. or so. And there we met with the Grunt Force team. So from the Grunt Forces team side, we had three volunteers come in on the day of the event, and one of the event members even brought their family members with them, so that they could also like be a part of helping the society. So I delivered the opening speech on how to save water since we were there to acknowledge the fact that World Water Day is coming on 22nd March, and we wanted to enlighten the children on how they can save water in and around their locality and surroundings. So here is a part of my speech which I gave to the children in their own native language, Telugu. నా పేరు రత్నేష్. ఇంకా నేను ఎలిక్సర్ ఫౌండేషన్ నుంచి వాలంటీర్ లాగా వచ్చాను. సో మీ అందరికీ తెలుసు మన లైఫ్లో వాటర్ ఎంత ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఉంది కదా. డైలీ మనం మార్నింగ్ లేచినప్పటి నుంచి నైట్ పడుకునేటప్పటి వరకు మనకి వాటర్కి ఎంత వాల్యూ ఉంది మన లైఫ్లో. సో ఎలా అంటే మార్నింగ్ మనం లేచినప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ ఏం చేస్తారు మీరు? ఈరోజు మార్నింగ్ లేచినప్పుడు అందరూ బ్రష్ చేస్తారు. ఎంత ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఉంది, దానికన్నా ఎక్కువ మనకు దొరికిన వాటర్ ఎంత క్లీన్ ఉంది అది చాలా ఎక్కువ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఫస్ట్ మనం పూర్వకాలంలో ఎలా క్లీన్ చేసేవాళ్ళు వాటర్ని? చెరువు నుంచి తీసుకుని వచ్చే నీళ్ళని. సో ఆ వాటర్ని క్లీన్ ఎలా చేస్తారు? ఒక చూల మీద పెట్టి బాయిల్ చేస్తారు. అది మీకు తెలుసా? బాయిల్ చేస్తారు వాటర్. ఎందుకు చేస్తారు దాన్ని? బ్యాక్టీరియా. సో అదే ఇప్పుడు మనకి వాటర్ మీద ఒక స్లోగన్ మీరు చెప్పండి ఎవరైనా ఒకటి. సేవ్ వాటర్, సేవ్ వాటర్, సేవ్. సో అది మనకి చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి బేసిక్ ఆ స్లోగన్ తెలుసు. అంటే వాటర్ సేవ్ చేసుకుంటే మన అర్త్ సేవ్ అవుతుంది. సో అలాంటిదే WHO ఒక కోట్ ఏమి ఇచ్చిందంటే వాష్, WASH. WA stands for clean water. S stands for sanitization. H stands for hygiene. మీరు వాడుతున్న వాటర్ మీకు కావాల్సినంతనే వాడండి. ఎక్కువ వాడితే ఏమవుతుంది? మీ తర్వాత వచ్చిన వాళ్ళకి వాటర్ తక్కువ ఉండొచ్చు. So as you guys saw in the video, we went there and I gave the speech, after which we conducted a small drawing competition for the kids where we collected drawings from all of them, and for making the drawings the Grunt Force organization provided them with paper, scale, pencil and crayons of two types, and all of this was as a part of token of appreciation and part of donation which the Grunt Force team gave. In addition to that, they also gave some food items as well for donation. It was really nice, like having to see them participate actively in the competition. Like it was not that big of a competition, but it was very good to see that they were participating with full enthusiasm. And to support their enthusiasm, the Grunt Force team also awarded prizes for the top 3 drawings, first, second and third. And in total we finally took a picture and said goodbye to them. So this vlog ends here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Do let me know in the comments how you felt about this video. And as you know, like I was not able to upload videos till now, but from now on I'll try to maintain at least 2 videos a month, or at most 3 videos a month, as far as I can go and as far as I can push myself. So until next time, bye bye, take care and peace out.